In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the ribbon in the new Outlook. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or make your Outlook interface more intuitive, customizing the ribbon can greatly enhance your productivity and satisfaction. To get started, first navigate to the Outlook sign-in page. Once there, simply click on the Sign In button to commence the login process. On the following page, fill in your login details carefully. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any login errors. Once you've input your details, proceed by clicking on the Next button. At this point, you should be successfully logged into your Outlook account, taking you straight to your Outlook dashboard. As you land on the dashboard, you'll notice the top corner of your screen. Here, you'll want to focus on locating the View option. This tab is crucial as it houses several essential features that allow you to change how Outlook looks and works for you. Once you've found and clicked on the View tab, direct your attention to the right corner of the screen. Within this space, you'll spot an icon of 3 dots. Clicking on these dots opens up a new set of options. Amongst these options, you're going to see an option labeled Customize. The Customize menu is your gateway into altering the Outlook ribbon. From here, you'll notice a wide array of customizable features. This section allows you to tailor the arrangement and appearance of the ribbon according to your specific needs or preferences. Explore each feature, considering how each adjustment might improve your daily interactions with the platform. After customizing the ribbon to your satisfaction, you might be curious about viewing different versions of it to best suit your working style. Fortunately, Outlook provides both a classic and a simplified version of the ribbon, catering to different user preferences. To switch between these versions, look again towards the right corner of your screen. Here, you will find a drop-down button. Click on it, and then you'll see the option to select either Classic or Simplified. Select the version that aligns best with your workflow. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to customize the ribbon in the new Outlook. Whether you've chosen a classic look or prefer a more minimalistic, simplified version, this customization ensures your Outlook experience is tailored precisely to your liking. As always, feel free to revisit and make additional customizations as your preferences evolve or as new features become available within Outlook. Happy organizing, and may your newly customized Outlook assist you in achieving greater productivity.